Start it video. Now it's knocking. Alrighty, you can probably already see that. No movement, supposed to. Whew. Hot son of a bitch too. That is cylinder number 1. Watch this. Yep, definitely got some fucking movement. So, the other one seems to be fine. Okay, I got the end cap out. That's the bearing and the crank. Here's the end cap. No real scarring. But these bearings don't look like it went through anywhere. But golly, were they clunking around? Look at that lip. I don't know if you can catch in the camera, but god damn. That's a fat ass lip. You see the heat indication marks. I didn't really drive it too much. When I started hearing it, me and my buddy were on our way back from somewhere. So the only place I've driven it was to get the exhaust done and back, which was just a town or two over. So we'll see what we're gonna do.